What's up? On the way to Simi Valley. We got some rain last night. Simi's one of the few places in SoCal where you could ride after the rain. Some guys up in Santa Cruz is down. They took me around Santa Cruz, so I told them I would show them around when they come down here. So it should be cool. Alright YouTube, what's up? I'm out in Simi Valley and sun's out. No more rain. Got these guys here from Santa Cruz riding. This is Adam from OC. He works with Connor at Rock and Road. These guys are from everybody from Santa Cruz? Everybody? Bay Area. Alright, these guys they came down and did the enduro race at Vail. And I told them I'll meet them up here and show them around. Alright guys, ride safe. Alright. This is the Grudge. I'm leading. I'm gonna stop up here, Connor. There's a drop right here. So it's pretty small. You guys can look at it. We just gotta start up there. We can't start from here. Just get a little bit of speed and just huck it. It's not big at all. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Nice. Drop back. Nice.
Hell yeah. Good shit, guys. Just yell the drops, okay? Yeah. So everybody knows. Drop!
Drop! Woo, shit is greasy today.
Drop, drop, drop. You could roll it, but if you're gonna send, you gotta full send it to land on that transition. You don't want to land on that knuckle or that flat spot.
Yeah.
You guys good?
Yeah.
All right. Ride safe. It's scary looking at it. You just gotta land on the transition, the main thing. You guys good?
Yep.
That's right, right? Alright, we're gonna drop.
Yeah. Nice.
Fuck yeah. Good shit, guys. Hell yeah.
I didn't know what.
This is the optional drop, Connor. Here's another one. Optional drop. Oh. I'll roll it actually. There's a drop up here. Drop. Drop. I even forgot where it's at. Here's the first roller. You guys good?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's B-boy. Oh shit! Woo! Just try to land on this dirt.
Yeah! Yeah, dude.
Okay. Alright, drop it.
Yeah.
You!
Just call me.
You! Alright, right safe. Left turn. Oh, alright, lap one done.
Oh, did he ride with you guys?
Yeah.
And Tommy?
Yeah.
The star's up here. There's a drop up here. Roll this. Yeah, drop this. You guys ready?
Yep. You can go at him.
Yeah. Drop.
Drop. Drop.
Drop.
Drop.
Sender. There's a drop. Drop. We're dropping.
One. Addy. Tommy. Kevin. Eddie.
All right, you guys ready?
Yep. End it.
All right. Drop.
Drop.
Woo.
Shoot. Steep. Oh, fuck.
Good shit, Connor.
I'm gonna record.
Yeah.
You wanna do catch duty?
There you go. Hell yeah. Good shit, Kevin.
There you go, Adam.
Good shit, Adam.
You got it.
It's just really steep and chunky.
Yeah.
You gotta go straight down the center. Let's go, Connor. Yeah. Hell yeah. Good shit.
Nice.
You guys ready? Yeah, I see a red flash. All right, let's go. Ride safe.
Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Woo! Fuck yeah. Whoa! Shit. Almost ate it right now.
Your rim.
Oh, your tire.
You guys good?
Good.
All right, safe.
It's the Thuggish Ruggers Ball.
Whoa, fuck, dude.
Oh! Oh! Holy shit. Almost ate it. Oh, Connor. Hell yeah. Whoa, that was a close call. We'll go to the
Rock off the trail.
yeah. I just saw a big rock, so I tried to do like a trail maintenance and knock it out. And I was so focused on that, I lost my front on a rock and I went off the trail. I almost fucking ate it, dude. You guys good? Right, safe, guys. All right. There's a drop. Nope.
Drop. Drop. Drop.
Keep going. Keep going, keep going.
Woo. Good shit. Fun, huh? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You guys like it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Good shit, Leo. Good shit, people. Good shit. You guys have fun? For sure. Cool, right?
Well, thank you guys. Yeah, man, thank you.
Can we get the mountain in the back or this mountain?
Thank you.
It's a handsome bunch right here, right?
Leave your dollars in your pocket. It's all good. Here comes the train. Woo! Oh yeah. What's up? I got the new jerseys in. This is a tribute to NWA. Instead of saying straight out of Compton, it's going to say straight out of control. The back of the jersey is going to be the Wreckless Riders logo. This is the same material as the other jerseys, 100% polyester, dry fit. It's really durable. It is breathable. I have sizes youth. I have small, medium, large, and extra large. So if you're interested, hit me up. You can DM me or you can email me at recklessridersmtb@gmail.com. These jerseys are going to be $45 and shipping is $5. Oh shit!